Hey everyone, this is Felix. Welcome back to InventBox, where the solution is right around the corner. In this tutorial, I want to introduce you to some more HTML elements. Up to this point, we've seen headers, we've seen images, paragraphs, how to style our text with bold, italics, and underline, and some tags that we used in our head. Another really common type of tag is lists. And there are actually two different types of lists. We have ordered lists and unordered lists. They're really easy to make. An ordered list is like this, OL, and then an unordered list, you guessed it, UL. And inside a list, we put list item tags. And here we can just put a list item. I don't know, we'll copy this a couple times. And then we'll just put the same thing into the unordered list so you can see the difference. And when we look at this website, see we have two lists with the same list items. The ordered list automatically numbers the items. The unordered list just puts bullets. And you can change how it does the labeling and the bulleting using something called CSS styling, which we will look at later on. Of course, you could put anything you want inside here. You can put images. If we do another and another and reload, we'll see that it has put images in here, and you may need to change the styling. It looks kind of ugly. And again, we're going to get into how to really manipulate what all of this looks like with CSS styling in the future videos. But for now, here are some of the most common tags that we use in HTML. And I want to take you to one of the most useful resources that I've found for learning tags, which is the W3 Schools HTML reference. This one right here, referenced by function, has a list of every HTML tag that is currently accepted and even some that are not quite supported yet. That one is deprecated. So in here we can see some of the tags that we've used. We've got, there's list stuff, unordered lists, an ordered list, list items. There's your links. They have tags for videos, other image related things. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use some of these form tags, because each one of these is a little bit different. But these are commonly used together to take user input into your website. So you can look through here and see all of these tags are constantly evolving. So to try to do a tutorial to explain each and every one of them would both take forever and it would become outdated really quickly. So use references like these as you're developing, and you'll be able to stay up to date with all of the latest standards.